an arithmetic progression as 4th term 15 and 8th term 25. Find the 30th term of the progression. So this is an AP, and for an AP, the nth term is given by A plus into bracket n minus 1 times D. So we have two terms, the 4th term, which is 15, and 8th term, which is 25. So for the 4th term, we are going to have A plus into 4 minus 1 times D, and that is equal to 15. So from this, we are going to form an equation that is A plus 3D is equal to 15, and we're going to name this equation 1. Then from the second piece of information, that is the 8th term is 25, we're going to have 8th term is given by A plus into bracket 8 minus 1 times D, and that should give us 25. So from this, we can also have a second equation that is A plus 7D is equal to 25, and we can name this equation 2. So we're going to solve these two equations simultaneously. So from equation 1, we can express A in terms of D as 15 minus 3D. And from the second equation, that is equation 2, we can express A as 25 minus 7D. So these two expressions are equal to A, so it means they are equal. So we have 15 minus 3D is equal to 25 minus 7D. So if we collect like terms in this case, we're going to have minus 3D plus 7D, that is 4D, is equal to 25 minus 15, which is 10. So it means D is equal to 10 over 4, which is 5 over 2. So we have the value of D. We can obtain the value of A using either of these two expressions. So if we take the first one, A is given by 15 minus 3D, that is minus 3 times 5 over 2. So you simplify that, you'll get that to be 15 over 2. So now that we have both A and D, we can solve the original equation, that is find the 30th term of the progression. So let us use these parameters to obtain the 30th term. So the 30th term is given by A, which is 15 over 2 plus into bracket 30 minus 1 times D, which is 5 over 2. So that is 15 over 2 plus 29 times 5 over 2, that is 145 over 2. We simplify that, we get 160 over 2, which is equal to 80. So the 30th term for this progression is 8.